Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Um, I'm waiting for this setup to give me a trigger. It's 3 a.m. London open already, right? But it's Monday morning, December 19th. So this is a setup building right now. Okay, short setup, and this is how I see the setups, and then I wait and I put my alarm on, right, and then I pull the trigger once I have the short reversal candle, and then at least one or two red candle. I'll open the trade, but before that, I will. My alarm is gonna beep and then give me the alarm. So let me put that alarm on here right now, and come on. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now, see, this is the alarm that is going to beep, and when you're going to hear the beep when it starts. So it's going to drop here, right? And like I said, that this indicates all the way up. So this is the setup I'm watching, and this level is big, 0637, and it broke below, it went up, and now it's, if this level holds, it's going to drop, and that would be the beginning of my trade. Now, notice that this pair has 120 daily range, 120 pip daily range. So from the top to bottom, it moves 120 pip around, not necessarily exact, around 120, sometimes 100 or sometimes 140, yeah, possible. So the low of the day is this. If this is the high of the day, then 120 pip, let's say from the top to bottom should be 120 pip. So let me count that and then draw something for target, right? So 120 pip from here. All right, I already have it drawn here. So, right, this is the yellow line. I'll make it yellow. So that is not SNR level, but it's a target line, right? Not my target to close, but the target of the daily range, according to the daily range. So that would be 0516. Right now we are at 0630. So I have a shot at 150. Basically, if I get an entry here, I'll go down to that level. So now my entry here. Sometimes you get an entry here. So the amount of pip you make differs, right? Where it depends on where the entry is. But my entry is going to be this high here, right? So from the top, 120, I just showed you that it is around 15, 16. What am I talking about? 15, just a minute. What was it? 0516, right? My bad. 0516. So that would be the target if I get an entry. Not necessarily that it's going to drop, it might just go up, right? So now this is why I'm thinking of short first. It is short, bearish. It's below the red line. That was uptrend, right? And now it's trying to go down. And this is the whole fan. All EMAs are aligned to go down. Now it may go up, yeah, but let me show you the weekly chart. And that is the basis of thinking that this thing is going to drop. My weekly chart of this EUR-USD is this. And I made it already on the 17th. I gave it to my subscribers that this is what I'm expecting. So this is 0637. This is exactly where we are now. And the EUR-USD went up in a straight line here. This is a trend line. So this is the whole scenario that I have. And I wrote down here that if goes below 0637 and stays, will go back to 100. Means parity here, right? So this is EUR-USD. This is EUR-USD. And not only that, but I also have, let me show you the EUR-USD weekly, USD index weekly chart. And we know that this is what's happening. The index is bouncing. Right now it's dropping, a little bit, but this number is probably going to hold 1246. It's just a retracement of this bounce last week. Big, powerful candle, which is like a hammer at the level 1026. So USD is going up. If it is going to go up, then this will happen. I already mentioned that on the chart, right? EUR-USD is going to drop, pound USD is going to drop. These four will drop, these three will go up. So that's why I'm looking short on your USD because in my calculation, my analysis, the USD is going to get strong. And on top of that, Euro USD chart is this, which I made it on yesterday, Saturday. And this is how it is. So, if not a reversal, maybe at least a retracement here. So I'm thinking that it's very easy to get 100 pip trade or maybe a 70, 80, 90, whatever. But a short trade today based on my analysis and my um, uh, here, my setup. My setup is ready to drop, right? There is no way that I can go long here, not in a million years, unless a long setup would be like this, right? Yellow is above the black, this indicates all the way down, and everything, the whole scenario is above, all the whole wave is above the red. Then I'll consider that long here, or maybe in the background it's a lot of long setup. This was a beautiful long, right? So why not? This was a long, so this was a long, right? But for now, what I'm having is based on my analysis, USDX and Euro USD, a weekly chart, but this is supposed to go down. And now I have a short setup going, it's telling me that I am ready to go down. So I'm watching it and I'm recording this just to show that, this is how step by step, and my alarm helps me. It will start beeping. Only then I'll pull the trigger, and if it's gonna start beeping, you will hear the window. You'll see the window here and hear the sound that yes, it is beeping that I have a setup, a short setup, and I'll just open the trade. Now, if I open the trade here after one red candle, the asset is right above it plus the spread, which comes usually like 24, 25 pip. Always, my every entry is always like that. So the max amount I lose on one trade is 25 pip or less. Because if the for example, if I get an entry and the price moves a little bit in my direction, I move my SL towards the break even. So sometimes I get out break even, sometimes 10 pip loss, sometimes 5 pip loss, not that. But max losing amount of pip is 25 pip, max. So this is the scenario. I'm recording it now, and I'm going to pause the recording because I don't know when this stupid thing can happen. It will happen, right? Now, see, this is it's going up, right? It's trying to go up. So I will not go short unless I have a reversal candle, a couple of red candles. See, it's going up right now. So my setup is not ready yet. Okay. And going long, just looking at that, oh my God, it's going long. So no, I will not go long unless I have a setup like this. All right. So I'm gonna pause the recording and we'll come back after a little while and show you what the heck happened. Stop. No, pause recording. Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm back here with the Euro USD trade recording. You can hear the sound start beeping, the alarm, and I open the trade immediately. You see that? Alright, so there's beeping right now, the Euro USD short setup. And it's dropping. So this is right there, my order, sell order here, my asset is right there. And this is right now is 4:57 a.m. London session started at 3. Now it has gone enough down that my alarm off automatically. So if this thing drops here and the price drop. So this is how the entry is. And now I'm gonna see if I can let it go down a little bit more. It retraced into this wave too much though, but still a setup, good setup. And I just started to recording, so what the hell, let's just take this entry and see if I can. But the weekly chart is supporting, so let's see. There are others, setting up on the other computer, another account. So, but I just wanna, concentrate on this one so that I can show you because I got a lot of requests that please show us from start to finish. So this is how start to finish. This pair doesn't move much, but like pound Aussie, I just open along there and on the other computer. And see the comparison is that Euro USD have 120 daily range. That means that average daily range on an average it moves in a whole 24-hour day from top to bottom, 120 pips. While if you take like pound Aussie, for example, pound Aussie has 200 pip, 200 pip daily range. So pound Aussie from top to bottom every day in 24 hours moves around 200 pips. So you get a good chance of getting a big trade, 100, 120, 30, 40 pip trade. Here, yeah, the whole range is 120. So if you get lucky, 60, 70 pip trade, you get it, and then you take that and run. Because it might retrace. By the time you get an entry, you already have maybe 30, 40 pip into it. And what's left? 60, 70 pips. So take your 60, 70, 50, 60 pip trade, which is good enough, right? A lot of people. I mean, if you do the math and play around with the thing, lot size, and if you master that, take every day 50 pip out of this market, and you just increase or multiply the lot size, and do the math. I mean, it's amazing that how you can accumulate. But just concentrate. Let's see if it is gonna go fast. I'm just gonna continue recording and see if it drops, so I can come and sit on a break even. See, it moved from here to here. So what I can do is I can move my asset a little bit. So now it's not 25 pips, it's less than that. So you see, it is now 17 pips. A little bit more, and I'll come and sit on a break even. That would be a free trade. That's the name of the game. And after that, if it comes back fine, if it gives me 60, 70, 80, 100 pip trade, fine. Whatever. Then I'll just move on and then start watching, and other pairs start beep, right? So I'll just go and pay attention to those. But like I showed you, that the weekly chart is the one that sets up the whole thing, and then you start taking the entries from these smaller time frames. For example, this is a weekly chart. Let's see, this is now we have a long way to go to the downside, so I'm not worrying about it, anything at all. This is EUR-USD weekly chart. So right up all the way, at least if it comes down here, that's 0324. We are at 06, 300 pip drop you're talking about from here to here. It's not gonna do it in one day today, but at least maybe 100 pip today, and then 100 pip tomorrow. I'm expecting all the way to parity here, but let's see. What's in it for us. Just went down a little bit. So now I'm basically risking 17 pips altogether, including the spread and all that. Right, 17 pips. So if I'm wrong, I wouldn't worry about it, because you see my trades all over the place. They're like 100 pip, 150, 30, 40. So when I'm positive, I fish that kind of trades. And when I'm negative, the most I can lose is 25 pips. But like I said, most of the time, the trade goes in my favor, and then I move my asset a little bit. So sometimes it's 5 pips, sometimes 10 pips, sometimes break even. If it comes down here, I'm coming sitting on break even. Then it goes up and hit my SL, then I don't lose it. So this is called money management. This is very important, right? So I'm going to stop recording and then come back later if we take out this low. Okay. So continue. Okay. All right. So bye for now, and we'll talk to you soon. Oh, come on, man. Okay. So pause recording. Yes. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again after a few hours, and we are still stuck there. So this is what the Monday is all about. There's no good news, strong news. So it did drop a little bit. My EUR-USD entry is here, and so far, if you see that I am positive, like 27 pip. It was almost like 35 pip, but now still 27 pip. But you know that I don't want that much, so I'm going to hold on to it. My target is way down there, right? So 70, 80 pip, yeah, but if not, it can go and then hit my SL. I don't care. Right now, I have moved my SL from 25 to now 6 pip only, 6 pip risk. You can see from here to here is 6.2, 6 pip. Right? That's it. A little bit more, I'll sit on a break even, right? So as long as it is below 0637, have a good chance of dropping because I'm expecting strength in a little bit as a wave four. Need to go to the upside, but need outside force. We don't have it right now. Everything is just static, nothing moving. So I'm gonna pause it again and wait for a couple of more hours to see what happened, and then start recording again. All right. So hopefully I'll get this thing done. Maybe 70, 80 pip. I'll close it because EUR-USD Monday, as it is December 19th, right? A few days from Christmas, volume is not there, smart money is gone. So um, that's how it is. All right. So okay, I'm gonna pause it again, and then we'll come back later on and see how if I can sit on a break even. So I don't mind leaving it open today, tomorrow until it goes to 70, 80, 100, or take my SL out at break even, and that's it. And I'll start recording something else. So that happens. That happens. No big deal, right? So this is it. I'm going to pause it again. So see you again later. Pause recording. Okay. Hello everyone. Sam is here again. Um, Yes, today is typical Monday, and my recording is still going on. And time to time, I'm checking my trades, but the market is just not moving a little bit. So my euro, I started recording euro USD before the entry. The setup was there, so then I got the entry, and then so far I am up. How much? How many pips is there? Only 28 pip left. Yes, sir. Right, 28 pip. Right. So, but anyway, I don't care. So, and my SL, I moved to 5 pip. So this is where I am sitting, and I want this to go down all the way. At least give me 70, 80 pip trade. What the heck I'm gonna do with this 28 pip trade? So this is just going on right now. And another thing that in the meantime I did was my alarm beeping. See this here? It says the sell order on pound Aussie. So the alarm was start beeping, and then I was too sleepy, so I just took it, and then I went back to sleep. That's what done with it. I'll see you later. And that is what it is. What it is. What it is. Okay, here. Right. So this is a sell order here. This is the setup. Again, same setup, like yellow USD. This yellow is below the black, and this indicates all the way up. I'm still making the chart, so it's a lot of things to I'll make sure that everything is in place when it is ready to close the trade. But yeah, sell order here. This one also I'm sitting on. This one, Euro USD 5 pip loss, not loss. I mean 5 pip risk. And here I have like, let's say if I move this one a little bit, yeah, 5 pip, positive. I locked my SL here, right? So if it goes up, I make 5 pip and then I'm out. And if not, I'll see how far. This one, the chart that I'm based on, I made that pound Aussie chart. No, I don't have it. So let me just show you here. Pound Aussie. Here. Oh, this is the pound. So pound Aussie weekly chart, I made it on the 17th and sent out to everyone. And I said that I like the downside below 81.37. This is 81.37, and if it drops below that, yeah, I'll take it. So that's what really happened. 81.37 is this right there. This is the one. Let me just write it down. What was that? Monthly? No, that's monthly high. 81.37. Okay. So I'm gonna write here monthly high 81.37. So that's the one. Um, Held nicely and gave me the entry. So we broke below that, ran up, tested it, boom, dropping. Right. This one so far, nothing. I mean, is it a 7 minute chart? Probably. This is, it looks like a lot, but it's only 20 pips. I think it's a 7 minute chart. I'm gonna fix it. Okay. Anyway, I see so many charts, so many things here. They're doing different things. So this is it. Where's my Euro USD? Okay, so I'm still there. This is not moving at all, but I'll see. I give him. Um, I'm gonna give it maybe few more hours, and if not, then maybe I'll just close it or let it run because 5 pip risk. If I lose 5 pip, who cares? Kind of thing, right? I closed yesterday. Euro. I mean Sunday. I closed Euro Yen, which was the entry was on Friday, right? So I counted it on Sunday trade, and I closed it on 90 pip, right? So I don't mind if I lose here 5 pip, and then I'll recover it. If not, that the risk to reward ratio right now is too much, too high, right? It's a 5 pip loss, and I have reward is I'm already up 30 pip, and maybe I'll get another 60, 50, 60 pip, right? So that's how it is. And pound Aussie, I'll be watching that one. And another one cooking is pound CAD. Very soon I'm gonna get it empty. See that? It's getting ready. I put all the things, all the charts in place already, and I'm ready to take it. As soon as I have a reversal candle, a one or two red candle, I'll open the trade here as well. And this chart, I mean, this trade will be based on pound CAD. Beautiful, beautiful weekly chart, solid chart. Let me show you. Pound CAD. This is the chart. Yeah. So beautiful trend line, and this is a perfect touch of the trend line. And all the way up at the last week candle, you can see that touched and start dropping. Black candle, and this week candle right now just in a small candle here, and we are sitting just below 66.38. So we're gonna drop, and as soon as I got the entry, I will get it. Okay. So bye for now again, and I'll be back after a couple hours. Where the heck is my? All right, so pause recording. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. This new pair start beeping. You can see, you can hear it's beeping for pound CAD sell, and I already opened the sell here. SL is right there, just above, right? And this is my sell order here, and this is I just showed the setup before, but now I have a reversal candle, red candle coming in, and now yeah, 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 yeah. This is my auto refresher messed up. All right, and you can see now uh, that it's going down, and this is how it is. It's you retrace and then continuation. That's where I get it. Right after the like two candles, I can say it's like one candle is the reversal, and then one red candle, and I open the trade, and SL is always up here, always 25. If it goes back, I lose 25. Now see it's dropping now. I can comfortably move my SL a little bit more. And as it goes along and it takes out this one, this low here, I will come and sit on a break even. Right? Other I don't want to mess around here right now, but let me show you how the Euro USD is doing. It's going fast now. This is what it is. It's 10 46, and then in 15 more minutes London closes. So somehow just before the London close at, and at London close time, just before it and at the volume comes, market just move a little faster for a little bit and then dies out. So this is what's happening, and my Euro USD, how this thing is going now, is moving, haha, right? So maybe I read after 10 o'clock. I didn't see it. It was here when I just saw last. So how many pips so far now? Now I can see. You see this is how I'm gonna sit now, but just below 0637. If now it goes back, I don't have any problem. It can wherever I'll see the next day, the next day, whatever. But this is how it is. So now let me see if I right. This is how it is. And so far, see, so far I am up like 52 pip, right? So a little bit more, then I can record the chart that said, oh yeah, okay, I made 50 pip out of this at least. But I'm expecting a little bit more, right? You know that. So maybe 70, 80 I'll close. Monday, I don't think that's gonna move too much after London. Yeah, 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 yeah. See this, I have it set up automatic refresher. This is uh, auto clicker and then this key presser. So the the key gets pressed automatically, the one I set, and it starts clicking and refreshing the whole 5 minute charts, all of those 5 minute charts. So that's how it is, right? So I got in pound CAD as well, and let's see how it is going now so far, right there, right? So let's see if it goes anymore. I already I posted on the Telegram that all pound. Let me show it to you here. See that? This is the Telegram. I posted that pound index 40-minute short in place. That 40-minute short. Pound index 40-minute chart was making short means that pound is going to drop and get weaker. So I said pound pairs will go down. So I had that pound Aussie. By the way, pound Aussie, my 7-minute chart, that got knocked out at break even. That was a 7-minute entry. Now I'm going to be looking for a 20-minute entry on that one. So, but this one is a 20-minute entry on pound CAD, and I showed you the weekly chart. Amazing weekly chart on this one, pound CAD. Yeah, see that? We have a long way to go, right? Hundreds of pips to make. So one by one. Now I just opened a EUR-CAD chart as well on the other computer, and what the heck? Let me hold on just a minute, guys. Okay. Why? Because EUR-CAD chart is just like that. Let me show it to you. EUR-CAD weekly right here. There, see that? It hasn't touched the TL yet, but it has gone too far up in the straight line, right? So it can make the turn anytime. So I said, okay, let me just open. If pound CAD is going down, maybe because of the CAD strength, and if that goes down, maybe euro. So far, I haven't had the entry yet in EUR-CAD, but I'm watching it now. All right. But pound CAD, yes, pound CAD is giving me the entry. It already gave me the entry. Here, it's going down now. Right. So, with that going down, I can go down with my SL. What am I doing? Hold on just a minute. Stop that thing. Keep messing around with my. Okay. So you see, I came down a little bit. That's how I save myself. Right. It takes this one out. By the time it goes below this, somewhere here, I'll be on break even and free trade. Then it can go up, whatever it can do. I don't care, right? So this is it for now. Again, I'm going to stop the recording and come back for more update. Pause recording. All right. Hello, everyone. I'm back here now. It's 4:50 p.m. Right? So all day long, all night long, all day long, I waited for this trade, and I've been recording this, right? So I just resumed the recording, and you can see that this was the entry. It went down, went up. I'm sitting on a break even, and I'm here. So today, completely vested. Market just didn't move, and right now I'm positive 30 pip. So I'm gonna close it now because in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, the day is gonna change, right? So the spreads is gonna be very very high, and then 5 o'clock, the whole market changes actually. The new day starts. So the new daily range will start, and then I'm gonna look for the new and then record the new trades. These trades are gone. This one, and then remember the pound CAD I showed you. Pound CAD. What it did is that this was the entry, came down, and like I said, that when I set break even, this one took me out, took my SL out, right at break even, no loss at all. But this was another setup, new setup, and you can see that I took another entry, the next entry, and so far I am positive 30 pip on this one as well. So this is how it is. Some people ask me that, oh, I never show my, but this is how 90%, more than 90%, my losses are at break even. Okay, no loss, no gain, trade is closed. What am I gonna show? Nothing. There is nothing to show, right? So that's how it is. This is how I lost here my first entry, but the second entry is positive. Another one that I have running is pound Aussie break even. I'm out. And one of those trades, I think pound CAD first entry, I lost like 4 pips. And pound USD, this is sell order right there. You can see here, nice and clean, went up, came down, yellow is below the black, blah, blah, blah. And this one also positive 22 pips, right? So it's 4:52. So before 5, I have to close everything. So I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to close these trades and the new day starts, and then I will find some setups in the London session, which opens up 3 p.m. Oh, sorry, 3 a.m. in the morning. So Frankie opened 2 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. That's where I start looking for, for the setup if they are, they are there. But I know a lot of the other things like weekly charts, pound CAD, and this and that, they are still there intact, and they're gonna start working out. See this one start just started, so we have a long way to go. So I'm gonna definitely find my entries tomorrow or tonight, right? For Tuesday night, Tuesday. So bye for now. I'm gonna close the recording, shut down the recording because that's what it is. I'm 30, 30, and 20. So that's 60, 70, 80 pips still positive before I'm closing the trade. But these are the trades. These are the positive pips that I don't even show. I never make a chart for less than 50 pips. You can go on my website and see. Trade has to be more than 50 pips. So in order for me to make a chart and then post somewhere, right? So these trades, I'm just gonna close them and like that, I didn't do anything. And but I'm still walking away 80 pip, and I also closed 90 pip euro yen today, and a gold positive trade today. Okay, so this is how the system is working. And tomorrow again, I'm gonna find some entries, and I'm gonna make the entries, and I'm gonna record live entries from start to end. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later. One more look how it's doing on USD. How much? Whatever. Close. Uh, just close it. Minute. Bye bye. Bye bye. Anything else? Bye bye. Okay, so I close all the trades. I'm gonna stop recording and bye bye for now, and I'll start.